Hi, we're Mark and Darla from RE/MAX here at our latest listing at number 4 Ellis Avenue in St. Catharines.
This amazing N-unit bungalow town features 2-bed, 2-bath on the main floor, fully finished basement with another bedroom and another bath plus an office, parking garage, and more. Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer. We know you love to book an appointment to view this N-unit townhome at 4 Ellis in St. Catharines. Why don't you call Darla at
289-888-1987 or call Mark at
905-512-1846.